morning for Winnebago County until 3:45 p.m. At 2:47 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from southeast of German Valley, moving northeast at 35 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Rockford, Loves Park, Macasney Park, Roscoe, South Beloit, Rockton, Rockford Airport, Cherry Valley, Winnebago, Davis Junction, Pecatonica, Durand, New Milford, Seward, Sherland, Lake Somerset, and Harrison. Including the following interstates: I-39 between mile markers 115 and 123. I-90 between mile markers 1 and 18. This includes Rockcut State Park, Rock Valley College, Rockford Aviators Baseball, Rockford Speedway, and Winnebago County Fairgrounds. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.